Hey mama, come hang out with me for a few minutes. Today I'm just doing one of my little pumping sessions. Nothing fancy, just my real routine. I place the pump and begin with a few light squeezes. I don't worry about being fast right away. I like giving my body a minute to settle into the routine. After that, I find a pace that feels natural for me. I keep squeezing the handle gently and consistently instead of trying to rush. Sometimes I'll slow down for a few seconds if I feel like it, and then continue again. For me, staying relaxed is the biggest part of the whole process. I usually just breathe normally, sit back, and let everything happen at its own speed. Every day is a little different, so I never expect every session to be exactly the same. I just stay patient and keep going until I'm happy with the result. And here's today's little bottle. It always feels so rewarding to see everything collected at the end. I'm really happy with today's session. Thanks so much for spending a little part of your day with me. I hope you enjoyed relaxing with me. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next video.